Imagine a train journey, the gentle rocking, the landscapes flying by. For over a century, trains have connected people and places, but safety has always been the top priority. Traditionally, this meant human inspections and strict rules. Now, artificial intelligence, AI, is quietly transforming rail safety. Think of AI as a tireless, super smart assistant, processing vast amounts of data in real time. On the rails, AI can spot tiny problems before they become big dangers, like having 1,000 eyes watching every inch of track and every wheel. This is a new era. AI adds a powerful layer of protection to the systems we trust. It doesn't replace skilled drivers or engineers. It empowers them with information and warnings never possible before. AI helps humans make faster, better decisions to keep everyone safe. So, what does AI actually do? It detects cracks too small for the human eye, listens for unusual engine sounds, and predicts how weather might affect the tracks. It manages the complex dance of trains in busy stations, preventing collisions and delays. AI is always working, ensuring your journey is as smooth and safe as possible. This silent revolution is making train travel safer for everyone. The future of rail safety is here, and it's powered by AI. Around the world, AI is already saving lives on the rails. In Japan and Germany, AI-driven predictive maintenance analyzes sensor data to spot worn parts before they fail, preventing accidents. Special camera cars with AI scan tracks for cracks and loose bolts, mapping issues for crews to fix before they become dangerous. AI co-pilots use cameras and sensors to spot obstacles, like fallen trees or people on the tracks, reacting faster than humans and even applying emergency brakes if needed. At crossings, smart cameras detect cars or pedestrians on the tracks, instantly warning trains and control centers. These systems work around the clock, analyzing, predicting, and protecting. AI is the unseen hero, making every journey safer. The future of accident prevention is already on track. AI isn't just about emergencies. It makes daily train operations safer and smoother. In busy stations, AI predicts passenger flow, helping staff prevent overcrowding and suggesting extra trains when needed.